Hello everyone and thanks for hanging out with me. Let's do this. Volkswagen Id.3 versus Tesla Model S standard range, Model 3 standard range plus with the rear wheel drive motor. Okay, and on the Id.3 we take the 58 kilowatt hour battery, but not the first edition. We'll take a lower spec. So first edition will have internet connectivity and pretty sure real-time traffic information, stuff like this. But the Model 3 Standard Range Plus doesn't have that. Only the long range has that. So we're not taking the first edition from the Id.3. Price? We know that the small battery in the Id.3 is under 30,000, and so the bigger battery with not a lot of features will be 35, 36, 37. A few features, so heated seats and stuff like this. I'm estimating 36,000. The Tesla Model 3 is right now 44,500 here in Germany, so a bit more. But let's go on. Range 420 Id.3, 415 on the Model 3, so the same. Motor is a big difference. We know now from the video that German car magazine drove the car and they got a few information from the Volkswagen people. Id.3 will have a 150 kilowatt motor. Model 3 is a 190 kilowatt motor in the back. Both are rear wheel drive. When it comes to acceleration, Id.3 under 8 seconds, and if we take the Seat Elborn, which is based on the same platform as the Id.3, and I'm pretty sure same motor, they say 7.5 seconds, and that seems reasonable. Model 3, on the other hand, 5.6 seconds from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour, so way faster. Top speed. Id.3 limited to 160 kilometers an hour. Model 3 225. So again, very big difference. Charging, the next thing. AC, they both charge the same, 11 kilowatt. And DC, Volkswagen says 100 kilowatt, and they also say 0 to 80% in 30 minutes. That would be an average of 80 kilowatt. I watched a few videos on the Model 3 Standard Range Plus, and it looks like that the peak is around 100 kilowatt, but it also goes up and then down at before 80%. So it's possible that it's around the same speed. But of course, with the Model 3 you have the amazing supercharger network, and of course you have autopilot in there. Id.3 will not have any self-driving capabilities in the beginning. They want to update this, but who knows when and what it will be, if it's any good or anything. When it comes to space in the car, trunk or people on the back seats, it looks like it's pretty much the same. They're very, very, very similar. So Id.3 people have a lot of space in there, and with the knees and the headroom, and it looks like Model 3 is about the same. So that's cute. That's cute. And trunk maybe a bit more in the Id.3 because it's a hatchback, but it's just higher, it's not longer. No, I retract that. Let's say I think it could be the same as well. And you see, I know I'm speculating here, but come on, it's fun to talk about this. The frunk, this is something that could be interesting. Nobody ever talked about the Id.3 having a frunk, but there's a few videos on the platform, how the whole MEB platform will look like, where the Id.3 is being built on. And you can see that, for example, in the back the motor is very much in the bottom, so the trunk is no limitation, there's still a lot of space in the trunk, and in the front it looks like there's a lot of space too. So why would they not put in a frunk? What's in there, of course, is air conditioning, heater, and stuff like this. So it's possible that it will have a frunk. We don't know, but would be nice. Okay, that's it. Let me know in the comments below what you prefer. Which car is better for your needs? I really want to know. Thank you much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.